warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friend, today I'm gonna tell you the ethic when we cough and sneeze. When we cough and sneeze, there is a release of a virus or germ from the respiratory tract into the free air. The ethical purpose of coughing and sneezing is to prevent the spread of disease through free air and to make the comfort of those around us. 3 steps when we cough and sneeze. 1. When we coughing or sneezing, don't forget to cover your nose and mouth with a tissue. Like this. Do not forget to immediately throw the tissue that has been used in the trash. When emergency, use your elbow arm to cover your nose and mouth like this. Do not cover using your palm because it can transmit the virus or bacteria if you touch other objects. 3. Use a mask when suffering coughing and flu. Let's leave the old habits now. We start healthy living habits starting from ourselves and the environment. Stay healthy guys. Bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.